Did you get your free language gifts of the month yet? Download them now before they expire in the next few days. First, the top 25 questions you need to know cheat sheet. This PDF gives you 25 questions all beginners need to know for conversations. Download it now. Second, practice writing greetings for absolute beginners. If you're learning the language and still don't know the greetings, that's a problem. And this PDF workbook helps you master all the greetings. Just print the PDF and practice writing them out. Third, spring words beginners should know. Chances are you don't know enough words to talk about spring. So this bonus lesson will teach you how to say spring, windy, rainy, and much more. Fourth, top 15 phrases for spring break. Want to talk about your spring break plans? This 1-minute lesson teaches you how to say stay home and relax, travel abroad, and much more. And finally, looking for an app that actually gets you speaking? The innovative language learning app skips the random vocab drills and teaches you through real conversations between real native speakers. And all you have to do is press play and follow along. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download.
Hello. Olá. Excuse me. Com licença. I'm sorry. Desculpe. Good night. Boa noite. Nice to meet you. Prazer em conhecê-lo. How are you? Como vai? Yes. Sim. No. Não. Thank you. Obrigado. I'm. Eu sou. Goodbye. Adeus. Bad. Mal. Good. Bom. Pretty. Bonita. Ugly. Feio. Easy. Fácil. Difficult. Difícil. Near. Perto. Far. Longe. Small. Pequeno.
Want to boost your vocabulary so you can speak more of the language? If you're a beginner, the best way is to focus only on a special set of words, the core words, and you'll see why in just a bit. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. What are core words? So imagine this. You're a beginner. You download a vocabulary app and it starts teaching you words like economics, xylophone, and zebra. If you're a beginner, these are not exactly useful words, right? Well, that's the exact opposite of what core words are. And that's just an example of how to learn vocab the wrong way. So if you see an app teaching you that, run far, far away. Core words are a special set of words all beginners should start with. They're words we use most in daily life. Words like I, you, yes, no, this, and that. And this is where you should start learning vocab as a beginner. The top 100 core words make up about 50% of everyday conversations. The top 200 core words cover 60 to 70%. If you go to 300, that's 80% of everyday conversations. So if you start with the core words first, instead of learning random words, you'll start understanding everyday conversations sooner than later. Even if you don't understand everything and you can only pick out a few words, you're on the right track. So how do you get started learning the core words? How to get the core 100 words. This part is for people that are using our learning system. With our system, you get the core 100 words for free. Just head to the vocabulary menu on our site and click on 100 most common words. And the way it works is you get all the words up front. Each word comes with a picture, the translation, audio pronunciation, and sample sentences so you can get a feel for it. And this is where you start. All the words are here. So if you're not a member, just sign up for a free lifetime account to get access. Now, how do you actually learn the words? You don't have to memorize them. There are easier ways. The easiest way to learn the core 100 words. The easiest way is with our audio slideshow tool, and it's also free for everyone. You'll find this tool right there with the core 100 words. Just click on View Slideshow, and the audio slideshow will play the words on loop for as long as you want it to, until the words are stuck in your brain. You can switch the translation audio on or off and play it in the background while you're doing something else. If there are certain words you want to focus on later, you can send them to your word bank to review later. You can also pop them into our spaced repetition flashcards to really master them. Just select all words, hit Add All Words, then choose your flashcard deck. But the audio slideshow is the easiest way because you can play the words on loop in the background until you know them in and out. And you can easily start understanding everyday conversations just by starting with the first 100 core words. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.